to another video. Oh, I was watching YouTube. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I got on my little Halloween get up. I'll put a picture because I'm not backing all the way up because I'm not. But let me turn this off. A little bit tipsy, not everyone, a lot of y'all, so excuse them because I'm about to go out, but I wanted to record this unboxing real fast, my lingerie unboxing, so that's what I'm about to do. Oops. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Danielle, and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. Period. We turn up on this channel, so I'm gonna get right into the unboxing. So by the time this video is up, I should have worn all this stuff. I'm gonna try, let me calm down. Turn it down like 10, okay? And look at me, guys. I usually don't get on here this cute. Like, I usually be looking like a bum when I come on YouTube. So, let's get into it. So, oh, did I explain? Probably not. So, what I'm going to be doing today is unboxing lingerie from SHEIN that I got from my OnlyFans. Oh, let's not do that. Okay, that's better. So all this lingerie I'm going to be modeling on my OnlyFans if I haven't already by the time this video is up. So as I'm unboxing them, if I wore it already, I'll put like a video or a picture on the screen, but I'm not going to be trying them on in this video. Ignore my wig. Just ignore it. So this first set, well, first I'm going to put a picture of the model up and then I'll put a picture of me in it. How about that? So this first set, it's a leather. Well, pleather, but you know, I just think this is so cute. It gives me what is that, dominatrix? Y'all know what I'm talking about. It gives me those vibes and I just love it. Let me show you the skirt first. That is so cute, and I'll insert a clip with me in it or a picture or something. And a little, you see the sides, I like that. Then this is a bralette, or yeah, bralette, and this is adjustable, which I love that about SHEIN lingerie. Most of them are adjustable because I have bigger boobs, so I gotta make sure my shit, well, it'll still be, you know, a little saggy, but it's okay. You can adjust it a little bit if you need to, and it's just like a regular bra in the back. You can hook it, you know, has 3 rows of hooks, which is nice. Then this, I love this. Yeah, very, very sexy. Oh, look, I never mean to do that. We like these, we like it. Okay, so this next set, I keep turning this on, I'm so sorry. It's just a red set, and I love red lingerie on me, so I tend to get it a lot, red and black. But this is so cute. Hold on, let me get it right for y'all. Okay, so this is fucking adorable, and it opens in the front. Y'all see it on me, but yeah, I just think this is so cute. The details, honey, look at that. Okay, it's the details for me. It is very much see-through, as you can tell, but really sexy. And again, wait, oh yeah, it is adjustable. These are adjustable. Now, this comes with this, what are these? I don't know. I guess it's like an adjustable thong. I don't know what they call these, but it comes with like a lot of the lingerie. Okay, so it's like adjustable, so you can literally like move it to fit you, I guess. I don't know, but that's what that looks like. And it's literally like you have nothing on, to be honest with you. But it most of the time comes with these little sets, so it is what it is. There's 3 pieces to it. So sick. So cute. Okay, wait, let me show you the bottoms. That's the top. So this is the bottom. Yeah, so this is the bottoms. Look how fucking cute. This is so cute. Oh, sorry. I cannot wait to wear this though. It's like metallic-y, can you tell? And a lot of SHEIN's lingerie I noticed has like the extra straps on them, which I think is so sexy. I don't know, it's sexy to me. But those bottoms do have the extra strap. Then the top, to be honest, is not going to give you much support because it's not like, it has a band at the bottom where your boobs would sit, but it's so thin, it's not going to do anything. But it's still a really cute set. And again, the straps are adjustable, so you can kind of make it work, but it's probably not going to work, you know. And oh, okay, so this is gonna be terrible to get on because you have to like hook it. Can you see? You have to hook it in there. I'm not gonna like that. I'm probably just gonna slide it over my head because I'm not gonna have anyone here to help me put it on. I got some Fishnet Thigh-Highs to wear this, but I don't know if they're gonna fit. My thighs are very, very thick, and I've never gotten any thigh-highs from SHEIN. And it's just like one size, so I don't know if they're gonna fit or not, but hopefully they do, because I feel like that will be really sexy with this. So I hope it fits, because that'll be a look. Okay. This, I don't know, it's out of this one and the other one to be my favorite. It might be this one. I just think this is so cute. Oh my god, let me show y'all. Okay, so this is the top, and I did already wear this one, so I know this gives me so much support. It like feels like I have like a bra on, like a regular bra, like not like a cheap SHEIN lingerie bra. Like it lifts my girls up. But it's like lace with this cheetah print on it. So cute. Straps are adjustable. It's pretty big on this one, and it's just so cute. It's like just the details for me, like it's just trimmed in the cheetah print, but it's enough and it's so cute. Then the bottoms, again, they're lace. Oh, the bottoms on this, it looks so cute in the front. When I had it on, I just thought that just looks so sexy to me. But yeah, again, this has the two straps on it, which I wear one like kind of up, I think, when I wore it. So that is so sexy. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. I just want to show you guys my lingerie, and make sure you subscribe to my OnlyFans if you haven't already. I will do a promotion since I just did this video. I think I just did a $3 promotion, so I'll do a $4 promotion for this video. So if you're not subscribed to my OnlyFans, please subscribe. Basically what I do on my OnlyFans is model my lingerie, because I don't do it on YouTube because OnlyFans pays. Okay, so subscribe to my OnlyFans and I'll do a $4 promotion. $4 for the next 50 subscribers for this video. Okay, so hit over to my OnlyFans and subscribe. Most of these looks are already going to be on there, so go check it out if you want to see me model these lingerie pieces. And I will see you guys next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Okay, make sure you leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.